Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the second video about the question that was asked by a viewer to make two videos of what I like and what I hate about Windows 11. Now, this is what I hate. What I hate, well, the same start menu that I find cool the way it is. I like it the way it is, and the start menu being centered and the way the panel pops up and all is great, but I hate this. Why did they never fix that? If you don't want recommended, it shouldn't have any recommended space. It should just be a smaller start menu. It's that hard to make a good start menu. And the other one, the all apps, when you have to click all apps to get the apps, and I go there from time to time and realize that if you just go back and come back, well, you're stuck with this and the all apps isn't what you're seeing. Why isn't when I click here and have an app list, if I want to keep an app list, then it stays in the app list when I actually want to use it. So these are things that I don't like, and a lot of people hate this for that reason. Very little customization of any kind. The other thing that I hate about Windows 11 is why is Microsoft turning all of this into a big ad machine? This I hate. It's like, this is an operating system. Stop annoying us with, oh, by the way, you know that we have an Xbox Pass, or by the way, you know that Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office, or stop annoying us with your products within the Windows system itself. Okay, there are places for ads. The Microsoft Store, for example, there you could promote your apps and your different services on your website or whatever, but not within Windows. Within Windows, it's dumb. It kind of makes it a less attractive and kind of less professional system. Basically, you don't need that. We don't need ads everywhere within Windows. So that is another thing that I hate. There are things that don't bother me too much, but I totally understand why some people could hate it. The fact that it is required to have a Microsoft account to set up, things like that. The telemetry, but that goes way down from Windows 10, and it started with Windows 10 for all the telemetry and stuff. And of course, all of this is something that should be customizable a lot more. So people that are using their PC, I totally understand that this should have a off functionality. Which is everything off. You don't want to have even the minimum requirement of data that's being sent out. There should be a way to turn it off completely. That would, for a long time, that plagued, and it still plagues today, the security. And last but not least, I will say that what I hate about Windows 11 is, well, yeah, you get tons of new things without asking. But that's something that also was in Windows 10 and in previous Windows. It's just a little more today than it was in the past, and I understand it annoys people to have, Copilot automatically appear magically on their system. And Outlook replacing the mail and calendar app and things like that. The fact that Microsoft takes over and decides for you what is good for you and what's going to be on your PC. Yeah, I get it. I would, if it's not the fact that I don't really care, because it's kind of something that like Copilot, stuff like that, I go play with that from time to time, and I'm, probably different from a lot of people that just don't like it, and people will often go into, well, Copilot and recall, well, they're just spying on you and so on, which I'm not there. But yeah, they are pushing things that should be an option. You want it or not, it's there and that's it, and you've got to deal with it. That is also an annoying thing about Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.